Hey everybody, this video is to help with the homework for March 4th, borrowing when you have to subtract mixed numbers. So I'm going to do problem 6 here as an example. The homework assignment was problems 4, 7, 8, and 10. So they all follow the same strategy that we talked in class. So the first thing we have to do with these is find a common denominator. I showed the kids to list out their multiples, just in case they aren't able to quite do that in their head. So here we can see our common denominator needs to be 12. A common area where students are messing up is when they need to multiply out their fractions to get to those common denominators. So I've been encouraging them to actually write it down. We need to multiply the 4 by 3 to get to 12, so we'll do the same thing to the 1. We need to multiply the 3 by 4 to get to 12, so we have to do the same thing to the 2. And then, as we rewrite our fractions, do all our little multiplication problems, we have 9 and 3/12, and we have 3 and 8/12. Overall, the class is pretty good at getting to this point, but the start of borrowing from the whole number has been a little bit confusing for some kids. So to start with, we can't do 3 minus 8, so we have to borrow from our whole number 9. We're going to make it 8. And then when we borrow, we have to add in 1 to this fraction. But to add 1 to a fraction, you need to do it as a fraction. So since we're already using twelfths, we'll add it in as 12/12. So 3/12 plus 12/12, that's 15/12 minus 3 and 8/12. Now we can do our math. We have 5 and 7/12. 7/12 cannot be simplified. If your student feels comfortable simplifying fractions, that's fine, they can go for it. We haven't spent a lot of time in class yet doing that, so they don't need to worry about it yet. This assignment is due on Wednesday, so they have 2 nights to work on it. Thanks.